The 2003 Honda Accord. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include leather upholstery, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.